8 ounces of whipped cream cheese, 8 ounces of imitation crab meat, 2 green onions, a little bit of sesame oil, a little bit of soy sauce, and my secret, 2 tablespoons of crunchy garlic. Mix it. Wet the edges of your wonton wrapper. Add in your filling. And fold. And fold. There we go. Spray with vegetable oil. Air fry at 400 for about 6 minutes. Super, super crunchy. I use this sauce. So I feel like crab rangoons are having their own moment on socials. So I just wanted to put my own little spin on it. I just think the crunchy garlic just adds something a little different. And I love it. So cheers. Oh, hot. Oh my God. Yes, it's so good. Hot.